Hello you all, welcome back to another video. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. So if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, yeah, my name is Suliat. I have a modest fashion and lifestyle content creator. Yeah, so I make videos, I blog, I vlog, I cook, I create content related to modest fashion. So get ready with me, how to style these and all that. So if this is your kind of video, don't even bother, don't hesitate to just click the subscribe button because you're gonna like this place. So I welcome you already. Join the family, join us. And to my people, my returning family, thank you so much for keeping with me. Thank you so much for coming back. You can see that I'm excited. Yeah, I am excited about this video because this is going to be an unboxing video. We are going to unbox what? We're going to unbox our new baby. We're going to unbox our new baby, and that's going to be a hair fryer. So I'm so excited about this because I've been longing to have one, and finally it came. It arrived. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm going to show you whatever that comes with it, and yeah, without talking much, just let's get right into the video. So the first thing we have is this. I don't know what this is, but yeah, this is the first thing that is here. So we have this. Yeah, I'll just kidding, it's not heavy. It's not that heavy. So this is our baby. This is our baby. Just let me put that on here. So this is our baby. This is our baby. So yeah. This is it. So we have here, it says rotate. This is the number here. This is the variant, and this Celsius. This is the minute. We have the lie here. It says bake, air fry, dehydrate, cake, fries, chicken, fish, meat, vegetables, fruit. This is the stop and cancel. This is the timer. If you want to reduce the timer here, and if you want to increase the timer here, and this is the start button. And here has the cord attached here. This is the like here we have the other side here. We're going to open it. Let's see. Cool. Can you see the inside? Like it's kind of small for me because I thought it's gonna be a big one because the box here says extra large. So I thought it's gonna be a very big one, but looking at it this way, I think it's small. So let's see. I don't know what this is, but yeah, this is what it looks like the other one that I showed you. This is the bonus liners. Um, I think it has 10 parchment liners for air fryer basket. So this is what is in here. The recipe books, my favorite. We have different recipes here. We're gonna be making a lot of recipes using this book. Have a lot of recipes, a lot of things. So that will be it. I hope you will enjoy this. So if you enjoy this, please don't forget to do the usual. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family, or anyone that you think would be able to, like, is interested in this kind of video. And if you just let me know in the comments if you would like videos like this, more videos like this, so I can keep them coming. Thank you all so much for staying. Before I go, I would like to tell you all Ramadan Kareem. I hope you all are having the best of your Ramadan. I hope you are having amazing Ramadan. I pray we get to witness more of this Ramadan, and we get to witness more on earth. And I pray that Allah accepts all our hearts in this Ramadan, and after Ramadan, I pray that Allah accepts all our acts as ibadah. Thank you so much, and please stay safe and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.